Look, entrepreneurship is a roller coaster. You got the highs, the lows, and everything in between. And here's the thing. The game ain't won on the upswings alone. It's the founders who can adapt, who roll with the punches and pivot when they need to. Those are the ones who come out on top. Markets shift, customers evolve, tech changes. The ability to adjust, to stay nimble, that's your superpower. Especially when you're scrappy and bootstrapped. So buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the power of adaptability. Let's go.
Let's talk about momentum. It's not about waking up every day feeling like $1,000,000, ready to conquer the world. That's a fantasy. You're gonna have days when you want to crawl back in bed and say screw it. It's about pushing through that. Startup momentum isn't a perfect upward slope either. It's a jagged mess of highs, plateaus, and should I scrap the whole thing and become a dog yoga instructor? Moments. Even small, consistent action compounds though. And the key is to find those small wins. Those little victories that keep you moving forward. Because that momentum, that feeling of progress, that's what's going to carry you through the tough times. The ones who win are the ones who keep going, who keep adapting, who keep that momentum alive.
All right, feeling stuck? Like the market's shifted and left you behind? Here's a reality check. A changing market doesn't mean your mission is wrong. It just means your method might need an update. Go back to the beginning. Remember that fire in your belly when you first started? What problem were you dead set on solving? Who were you serving? Revisit these answers and reconnect with the core of why you started this journey in the first place. Adapting to market changes becomes less daunting when you're deeply connected to your why.
You want to know the secret source of adaptability? It's simple. Listen to your customers. And I don't mean just hearing them. I mean really listen. Engage with them. Talk to them. Understand their pain points. What's changed in their world? What are they struggling with now that they weren't before? This gives you real signals, not just assumptions. Your early customers are gold. They believed in your vision before anyone else. So pick up the phone, jump on a call, send out a survey, whatever it takes to get inside their heads. They're telling you exactly what they need, what they want, and how you can adapt to serve them better.
Here's the thing. Adapting doesn't always mean blowing up your entire business. You don't need a full-blown pivot every time the market hiccups. Sometimes it's about making small strategic adjustments. Think about it. Can you tweak your messaging to better resonate with your target audience? Can you adjust your pricing to be a bit more competitive? Can you optimize your delivery process to be just that much faster or more efficient? It's about being agile, responsive, and being willing to experiment, not about being right all the time. Adapt and iterate until you find what works, just like Einstein and Edison. So don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to adjust your course as needed.
When the big picture feels overwhelming or murky and you're not sure what the next move is, zoom in. Keep a micro goal in motion. Focus on one daily goal you can control. Write a piece of content. Test a new offer. Have one sales or partner convo. Clean up a workflow. These tiny steps keep the energy flowing and often lead to clarity. Pick a micro goal, crush it, and build momentum from there.
At the end of the day, adaptability is one of your greatest advantages as a bootstrapped founder. You're not locked into a rigid roadmap. You get to respond, evolve, and stay lean. Embrace that freedom. But momentum isn't magic. It's a decision. So keep putting one foot in front of the other. Keep listening to your customers. Keep iterating and improving, and you'll deliver on your dreams. Now go out there and make it happen.